we will give full protection. Hanga time de go chamela no hobo lage. Chamela hole police force potabo, administration pothagi nai koribo. Etia sokise na paori bidei. Sokise ko no hobo ko bidei. Next year be nagai hobo. So jagade khali not only in this place. So jagade problem do American nitoi create kore ase dei.
Eban othigena yate sob church colony ase school be 20-30 school ase school jabo pare na church te jabo pare sor be bisaru bole education be na pare
Enforce ase. Enforce hole phalai dige.
Tate bra innaga atuna.
Aro jate ahibo apnang tade pothai di aro. Dream bag to tade ase. Koi naga tade yade bra Taikan yade potha bo apnang tade potha moto nokuri ki na yade bra tarif tade ni karne ekta program nobina.
Major drainage hole to lot sacrifice to go lagbo colony manumina.
Since you are saying that you have 4-5 villages, ek per council kan kotha kori ki na elders kan na yade government pra edo nala bola da ile edo time da mi kan eko land owner laga eso lo hobo koi ki na ekta insurance ti bola all those encroacher and those building obstructing the drainage to immediately remove.
तो बेसी छोटो हुआ पड़ा पानी आमी खान लगा स्कूल ला नाला फाले पड़ा जाओ ना पारे कि बेग आए कि ना फ्लाड हुई था के इतु पड़ा इतु तो आमी भी ताकान लोगों मिली के ना कहो पारे ऐसी इतु तो साइड इले बेसी बाल हो कोई कि ना टाइम दिया करने बेसी थैंक्स
आपना खान कुआ तो आमी खान पहुंची लोई है now we have given direction आमी खान direction की है TCCP इधो हमार disaster management team itu comprehensive report toldi ponai gina ami hote pothadi koi gana to we have already given direction yate apna kan kwa laga mi ekta tuita kobo ami yate pra 1969 70 71 72 Government High School yate pra porise heto time de yate Dimapur to flood ke ase narani এতিয়া তো ৰাস্তা ওচৰতে নালা ওচৰতে খৰ বনা পৰা হি ফ্লাড হৈ আছে দেই আমি ইয়াতে পুৰা টাইম দে 69 পৰা আমি 74 দে ইয়াতে আমি মেট্ৰিক ইয়াতে পৰা পাছ হৈছে সেইটো টাইম দে ফ্লাড তো কি আছে নাজানি এতিয়া আপোনাক কোৱা নিচিনা নালা ভিতৰতে পাইপ যাব আৰু এনক্ৰোচমেণ্ট নালা ওপৰতে ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন খুন্দি কিনে খৰ বনাব Eto prahi, eto sob jagade khali not only in this place. Sob jagade problem do American nitoi create kore ase dei. Eto pra since our commissioner is here, DC is here, our disaster management team yate ase. Tai khenge direction ki se aro chodi yate council pra yate ward pra hanga bole tai khan rete ase koise. We will give full protection. Hanga time de go chamela no hobo lage. Chamela hole police force pothabo, administration pothagi nai koribo. Etia suki ase. 4-5 दिन तो अपना कुआ निशिना इतो खोर देबी टाबो ना पारे किना बाहर pra iyo khwa lot na thaga. Etia suki se na paori bidei. Suki se ko no mono ko bidei. Next year be nagai hobo. Eto pra itu next year rainy season naha kede ami government ki korula se will take up this matter but report to American yade administration aro disaster management aro edu police kan edu kan report sami kora bichede edu kam to start hobo and I assure you that I will discuss with our disaster management tadebra kiman pare American itu government logote kotha kori kina nala kondo pipe pra etu nala block hoise etu bi ami kan sai kina tai khan visit koribo estimate bonabo etu to hatai dibole ami kosis koribo aru yate nala de morom pra ite apnang koa nisina tosra khor pona khan bi nala block kori kina khor pona se gole tai khan ये तो ऊपर नो था के दे फाउंडेशन खुंटा टाइम दे अमी होंगे जाने दी बोला के दे नोले तो ताकन 4-5 काला उठा भी छे दे तो अपना खन एक्शन लो बोले तो ताजे छामिला भी होबो now whatever you have told us we have taken note of that we will take action after getting the report from administration police and NSTMA itu kuya se we apna kan to pa to amyang so position ranji se to eta to government functional so yade ase ta kampra report potha biche de we will start taking action etoi koi na apna kan logo de jana hai thank you
make their waste and then just throw it like a temple. Now there are places in Nalana. Itu civic body can be come guru na. Itu to any open ase. Some places to jai na manu manually guru lage. Itu
আসল তো বিজনেস কান ফজর ডায়গনা বিজনেস করিব নালাতে ফেলাই কেনা যাব চাপরা কান মর্নিং দা হেব বিজনেস করিব বজারে রাস্তাতে চাপরা তো নালাতে ফেলাই কেনা যায় এনেকা হয়ে গেনা তাতে বড় তুমি নালা তো পুরো জাম হয়ে গেনা তুমি দোয়াং নিছিনা এনেকা হয়ে গেনা আমাখান এসএম কলোনিতে আহে গেনা তুমি চাপরা লাগা ডাস্টবিন পানি লাগা ডাস্টবিন এনেকা হয়ে যাচ্ছে তো পানি তো আরো না যায় তাতে नगरदन पुलिस पॉइंट लगा ब्रिक्स तासे तो छोटो ये तो नीचे दले नाला पारा फाउंडेशन था करना पूरा आरसीसी बनालो है और रास्ता दे डस्टबिन फेला बोले मतलब साइड राखिबो तादे पाता बनाय करा घर बनालो है तो तो रेवेन्यू काम नहीं पाता तो शोध ऊपर बोल के हो जगह तो वेरिफिकेशन करे के है शो ऊपर बोल लगे तो छमेला वाला शुगले तो पाता से अभी पाता से कोई गना है हेबन ओठी गना या दे सब চার্চ কলোনি আছে স্কুল বি 20-30 স্কুল আছে স্কুল যাব পারে না চার্চে যাব পারে সরবি বিচারব না এডুকেশন না পারে আরো হাজিরা করা মানে কি না যাব আরো কোর্টে হোমা বলে যালে বিজনেস করা লগা পায় ঘরে মান ডাঙর ঘুরে থাকে চোকা দিবি নাগা ভাত খাবো নরে হোমা বলিবি নরে
হইছে শুনিছে
আরো তো প্রেস তো মরম করে গেলে তো প্রেস তো ওঠাই গেলে পড়া দিব লাগে
আমাখান একেবাৰ দিমাগ বি বেয়া হৈছে আমাখান বৰ আইটো কলিনি মানুহ এতিয়া মেণ্টেল বি এফি হৈ আছে তোৰ দি বাজাকান থাকাকান তাৰকান তাদি পানী খেলি আপোনাৰ চিভ আছে না নাই এনেকা ফোন কৰি থাকে তো আমাখান একদম দিগদাৰ পাইছে আপোনাৰ বেছি মিডিয়াৰ পৰা পাইছে বেছি নকলিবি জানি কেনে আছে কেনেকা হৈ কেনে হলিবি এটা ৰাস্তা খুলি কেনে আমাখান লগা এইটো পাৰ্মানেণ্ট সলিউশ্যন আমাখান কলিনি সাৰ্ভাইভ কৰিব কাৰণে স্যাৰ মৰম পৰা চাই দিবি আপোনাৰ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট পৰা এনেকা ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰি আছে থেংক ইউ স্যাৰ
আমি এখন কোন জায়গাতে কি কৰিব এতিয়া ইমিডিয়েট কম্প্ৰেহেনচিভ রিপোর্ট সাবমিট করবি করে কিনা তাই যে তারিখ ঠিক কিনা আছে ইয়াতে মেইন প্রবলেম তো কি আছে কোন জায়গা পৰা এনেকা হৈ আছে আপোনাক কোৱা নিচিনা বজাৰ কৰি কিনা ইয়াতে ফেলা সেইটো কিন্তু টিএমচি মেইন প্ৰকাণ্ড শুড টেক কেয়াৰ ইউ হেভ টু গিভ ডাইৰেকশ্যন টু টিএমচি আৰু তো তোচৰাখন ইয়াতে কি নিমিতে এনেকা হৈ আছে এইটো আমি খান তাই কাৰণ ৰিপৰ্ট ছাবমিট কৰিব গোটাই চাল এনেকা তো কৰিব নিদিব উই উইল টেক কেয়াৰ এইটো আমি আপোনালোকে ক'বলৈ আহিছে itu ada for tuli lebih jadi fire brigade kali cabut
na pare to
kan itu nak claim mas
হয় তো মানে নিজৰ কাউন্সিল পৰা ৰাস্তাটো অলপ সাফিচিয়েন্ট দিব লাগে এটলিষ্ট 12-15 ফিট নিচে নহ'লেও ৰাখিব লাগে ৰাস্তা নাই এনেই সৰু গাড়ী আপ ডাউন কৰিব পৰা লাগে
itu mantap
Hai,
jadi
bisa
boleh
bisa
tu
selai kota
mana
mana.
tadi
Yes, ada bro.
तो ताजे नाला मागो के कुंभा को कोना के नाचे
Stick to class. Take to class.
एक फ्लोर जाके एक फ्लोर छोले फले दिए वो है तो मुझे सोच तो कौन सा तो क्या है
So, whatever. So now you talk to Purna Bazar P. Now you have a joint sitting, and that formal complaint has to be made. Formal complaint has to be made. We as a government we can come and then see. আপোনালোকে initiative থাকিব লাগিবতো your participation has to be there, your initiative has to be there. How do we know where is the problem? It is your resident, it is your colony, it is your village. Now you have to tell us where is the problem. Then government will take steps and government will come into action. নহ'লে তো আমাক আইডেন্টিফাই কৰি যাইলেতো বেছি টাইম লাগি যাব, এটা আপোনাক ক'ব লাগিব না ছাৰ।
আমি কান নাহাকে দেখি আমাৰ CCCB ডিজাস্টাৰ মেনেজমেণ্ট এইটো ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট আপোনাৰ কোন জাগাতে কি হৈ কিনে আছে এইটো মেইনটো আজিকালি এতিয়াতো দেখিলেতো কেনেকৈ ফ্লাড আছে বহুতো মানুহতো বাট মেইন ফ্লাড হোৱা টাইমতে আমাৰ CP TC আহি কিনে ভিজিট কৰিছেতো তো আমি কান এইটো টেক আপ কৰিবলৈতো এইটো কলনি লৈ কিনে আপোনাৰ কোৱাটো ইয়াতে ফ্লাড হোৱাটো পুৰণা বজাৰ কি কাৰণে ফ্লাড হৈ আছে কৈ আছেতো যদি এনেকুৱা that was the obstacle এইটো হ'লে আপোনাৰ খান পুৰণা বজাৰ কি লগা কাউন্সিল লগত দেখি কথা কৰি কিনে আপোনাক মিলি কিনে কেনেকুৱা কৰিলে এইটো প্লগেজ নাথাকিব আৰু ফ্লাড নহ'ব এইটো ৰিপৰ্ট আমি ছাবমিট কৰিম এতিয়া আমি কথা কৈ কিনে তাৰ পৰা নহ'ব ইন ৰিটাৰ্ণ আমি দিম এইটো পিছতে আমি কাৰণ কোন জাগাতে কি কৰিব এইটো that report will be submitted by DC and police এইটো পিছতে আমি গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট ডিচিজন ল'ব নহ'লে এতিয়া আমি চকুৰ পৰা চাহ পৰা এইটো কৰি দিব নাপাৰিব হ'লে তাতে আপোনাক কৈ আছে এনক্ৰ'চাৰ আছে আৰু নালা পোন কৰি কিনে খোৰ বনাই কিনে আছে তাতে আমি কাৰণ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট একশ্যন ল'ব গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট হাত দিছে বোলে we need your full cooperation আপনার খান লাগা ইয়াতে কলনি লাগা পুরানা বজাৰ পি লাগা আপনার কাউন্সিল আৰু পষ্টিলিটাৰ খান লাগা কোঅপাৰেশ্যন লাগিব দে আমি মানে এইটো নালা পোনা টাইমতে কিবা অবষ্টিকল হ'লে আপনার কানে সাপোর্ট কৰিব লাগে এনেকা কৰি কিনা আমি কান এইটো আপনার খান লাগা সৌদ we will address your grievances, your problem after you submitting your problem in black and white.
Municipal hobi, East Timor Town Council hobi, administration kan itu common bro ko libi no ko libi public pi awareness
Yes,
ho lage drainage ti itu moila na pila bole na itu ekta main important ase blockage to saile itu bra ase aman aro unfortunately this time do last time aman chief secretary bra kwa nishna within 3-4 days 450 plus millimeter pani to girise whereas last year record sailo do not even 100 mm na itu bravi ekta this time effect pura ase olibi aman sob miligena aman kam koribo
And if they don't have proper pada we will not even if they go against construction of widening of drainage we will not accept their so we need full cooperation from administration and police and local these are local leaders now colonial leaders ward leaders they should give us full cooperation there should not be any encroachment.
Yeah, this nala is maintained by us. Only the outlet.
Inside the airport also, the department have done something 2-3 years back.
That is only on the Nezek Nala. And any activity other than that is the lookout of the airport.
Airport inside the cell. So we
When I
regularly do.
was in charge of irrigation,
Right, sir.
we have provided more than 1 crore
Yes.
for this drainage.
It was more than 2-3 crores.
Yes.
Yes. We have,
irrigation.
sir.
Thaga time de dice to puisa.
What?
Sending 2-3 crore. So tell you one night.
No, what you said that. You know, sir, we have 3 nalas here inside the airport. One is on the southern side, one is on the northern side, and the other we flow from NSCC, that is Dibupa side. We divert it to Chhatki River. That was done by Dibujit Park. And that is already completed. That can hold the water.
That is
but,
okay, no?
Yeah, that is okay. But you know, sir, that side is a bit higher. And the catchment area of this part is more. And especially this sugar mill nala, the water flow is so high that, you know, all the water stack on the runway only. When
Water
this
comes
flow,
back?
Yes, no,
It
not
comes
come
back?
back, it stay on the, this thing, it doesn't flow downstream.
How many villages are affected here?
Many villages. See, yeah. How many villages are affected by this erosion, riverbank erosion?
600 villages.
600 villages along the banks. So on both sides of the river. Siddiqui, Basa, Siddiqui, 7 mile model, 7 miles. All under.
So here the main course is
This side is Newland. This is Timor.
We're divided by rivers, sir.
We need to have a proper impact. Yeah. Both sides, not only one side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
so actually here the main
Yeah,
cause is because of the illegal or
Yeah.
unscientific this sand gravel mining. No, sir. The natural, current management system is the boulders. No, sir. Everything is taken away, so the water is running into on its own. No?
It's the same, right? Up there.
Up there. So this stress goes up till the Pakai.
Along the highway also is the same.
This is our referral hospital country, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the referral hospital, we have done something through the hospital. The hospital took implemented. So that side of the hospital is being protected now.
Not from
That is done by the hospital authority.
We supported them and they implemented. They have a very good engineering wing, so we gave them and they did it themselves.
We connect with this drain. We connect with this drain and then play it through us.
and this time also,
She was heading
it comes up to here, water. Yeah, Maki. Come halfway, you can drop halfway. And then, walk down, along stop the overflow and then
River is that side.
River do ulap chutto se bola sir. Itu ba flat to finish.
it seems it's early, some 20 years back, the same flood happened, and after a gap of 20 years, it's coming back again. But if the government can take up something, so that another for 20 years, it will hopefully
Ito kung department pra po na di sila good resource.
good resource.
Which year?
No, this time, when I said this year. Just right after they finish everything, the flood came and just.
Oh, ito.
ma'am.
You please submit
But
report.
Singh is bleeding, na?
Yeah.
I'm not kisah itu na declare taman ko lebi sauce na wood na.
Ito crown do ito sali po na siya. Ito azikali lui tayo siya po ito. River is
I'm not
that
tadi
side.
takakan jenis hal lebi.
River
Man
nuti
urang
de
lagi.
panya sir.
Sir, on the way, going up, coming down, you have seen that all this flat area,
Yes,
still water is still here. So for one whole week, it was all submerged here. So that way, almost all the fields, they've already planted. Again, they have to plant again.
Not only this location. You have to submit all the location which we have visited.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
Green Park se every spot e bulai or outlet ekta to outlet itu to bisi choto hoise every spot laga landscape to olop ucha hoise amian la drainage to niche hoise itu ra bara ulam na pore block hoise se tate itu ra pani to sob block hoi kine sob block hone jai kine yo kuda cold storage ase man tak to flood hoise so all these houses we can see around it one sob flood affected areas. So affected us. This school remains closed. Itu Sacred Heart School ase. Itu bi bond hoise. one more private school is Buddha Memorial School niche de ase itu bi Sir Charlie laga ami an Nature Chairman laga thik gor laga age de itu bi sob flood hoise aur tu school bi khal itu bon thaise de to ami khan etia propose kora do ami an bosi outlet duita ekdom urgent lagi ase ami khan itu নহলে তো আমি কন বসি তো পানি গিরলে তো সদায় সাল ফ্লাড দেই থাকে
You have around 600-700 households, na?
Yes,
here?
sir. Yeah.
तो अपना कन याते ग्रीन पार्क दे चावले नहोय कि ना याते परा याते परा नहोय कि ना ऊपर परा नाला टांगोर पुना कि ना छाते रिवर चावले रास्ता सुना ना
Yeah. Mega project na ekta mega project ekta banale de job.
for 4-5 villages.
Yeah.
And not only for this, you say that you have 5 villages here. पांचटा पोस्टी लगा पानी दो इधर छाती रिवर दी चावले रास्ता है
Why ase.
no इधर land issue खाली होना ना
Issue itu to hoy will discuss ekun hoy hoy
इसलिए
jabo.
माने हमें नागले बोले तो काम करिबो डेवलप करिबो बोले कि माने पूरा करिबो दारे तो ना
Hoy jabo itu to ekun hoy sir. Itu to ami an bosi mane risk.
तो पूरा अपना कन जाके ग्रीन पार्क चाट वारो तो प्रॉब्लम आसे तो ताकि पीछे तो कौन होले
होय.
तो पोना टाइम पर 4-5टा पोस्टी कारणे आ नाला टांगोर पोनागिना छातेरे चावले যদি তো হইছে বলে there should not be any land owner issue दूर अपना कन 4-5 কথা বললা
गवर्नमेंट मतो प्रेला में काम बनाबो तो मेगा प्रोजेक्ट वाले तो दिशे वही रिजल्ट को पाना के तो राना अपने जैसे
কিটা সাবমিট করেছে তো রিপোর্ট নো আমি উনকে তারিখ নিদিবি না it should be through TC की रिपोर्ट दी ताई पर है comprehensive report पूरा सबमिट को रिपोर्ट किटा दी है कौन साल दी है
23
बोले भी ये तो साल फ्लड हुआ नहीं से ना तो साल दे किटा भी लगा हुआ नहीं तो ये तो साल ही पीछे हुई तो लो तो हुई था क्या
होई थागे याते भी होई थागे
আমি নাম তো hoy থাকে
साल तो ओवर हो जाए
চারটা বস্তি পানি আহা তো না और আমি আন তো সদায় সাল hoy থাকে
निकल निके याते बहुत पानी याते है तो निकल याते बरा मार जो है तो इतु लेवल दे जाले तो अनफेक्ट कोई दिस निकल एने बाब जाते वाला 30-40 एकड़ लगा माटी तो
अंडर वाटर दैट is this time.
सुवी माला का भी याते है
हो दो सब तो नहीं बो बोले भी तो चुगे मिला से ना काटे बरा तो साइड तो भाई और ताते छोमालते जीसीबी दुकान ताते बरा इनका हातुना
আৰু তাতে আহিব আপোনাক তাতে পঠাই দিয়ে আৰু ক্ৰীম বাগ তো তাতে আছে তো এনেকা তাতে ইয়াতে পৰা তাইখন ইয়াতে পঠাব আপোনাক তাতে পঠাব তো নকৰি কিনা ইয়াতে পৰা তাৰিখ ছাতিৰ কাৰণে এটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম
It is
নদিনা
সস্তা হবো
but 4-5 villages you should discuss for this if we come up with a project there should not be any land owner issue land owner ami laga mati tola mati kotha nola bola development issue kore
itu to ekun hobo sir
আহিকিনে अलग अलग जगह हम भी चाहे से why we selected the 5th mile model village na sir flooding though it took place in many locations on the other side of the national highway the town area can especially Nipole colony do be flooding hoisile and so also our Tenipe area and even towards Dansari Par area also many places there were flooding and even like they were mentioning Unity village that be flooding hoigine all of din age de subside hoise that be flooding hoise so it comes towards this Dipo Park B side Green Park junction so that definitely flooding hoya ase do na so the water which is flowing out from Tenipe towards Dansari Par it will be beyond capacity hoise now so it will just flow back in case of heavy downpour na so the only solution may be across the road there are some road culverts na so that itu Tenipe aro Unity village kan laga so na side laga pani as thakya kan will be if they can be drained off this side and from this side if there are major irrigation ki ko drainages constructed na especially here at the 5th mile wara ekta main ekta job lagibo At 7, sorry sir. And at 7 Mile be all of low lying areas eh. Itu bara tadi bi 7 Mile bi ekta main drainage ekta lage sir. And towards town area we have identified one location, culvert pi ase, but private area there it comes out, so it has been blocked. So one drainage na banaile, tade jaba na pare. So perhaps town area lado will be taken up in urban development department. Kintu for 7 Mile drainage and especially 5th Mile drainage, major drainage to lage ase sir. So it would be if through water resources department or disaster management.
That's why
supplement
I want both the department to be here with us.
Sir, sir.
Disaster water secretary, so I said no.
Commissioner and Secretary Water Resources is here.
Yeah.
She should be on the way, sir.
Yeah.
I think disaster management भी आई बोला sir.
What will be the distance from here to reach Chati River if we make a proper
Distance किमान is now.
Kiman is
In
now.
case drainage है.
Huh?
Isi turun wala de.
Kilometer.
Kilometer de.
No, I don't think so. 8 kilometer no more.
500-600 meters.
Pano tu jati pra no bona bodo. Uitum oso noti oso prai bona ling la tabo bodo.
Half kilometer.
No. 8 kilometer, yeah, half kilometer, 8 kilometer de puno eh.
That is not far.
1 kilometer do thake jabo sir. Sidda do noy na tera meri jabo lagbo na itu do.
Sir, what we can do is Amman District Administration through our ESC and then along with the Water Resources Department and Village Council, na, all of survey kan kuribo, na kurigina will identify the route and the location, na. Kintu sab kwan is na, piche de government bar project mangi thakibo aro piche de implement korobole time de landowner han bara namane inika kiki issue hole to tade government bar bi
That will be
discourage
an obstacle.
department kan na.
Control
Major drainage hole to all of sacrifice to korobo lagibo colony manu bina. Kote kun laga. Okay.
American, this is my 9. American nota hoise to.
Sir.
After that, Sobima will be 10. 10 location.
Right, sir.
To start nota location tado, that the village leader can council chairman, village secretary, elders can go to. American laga itu nala palga pona dise kole. American full cooperation dibo. Kun pi lenon itu laga itu kota pun nukulmo. Itu kuribo ni dibo. That giving assurance na. Itu boleh tu jadi pi. अपना कनो साइड दो प्रोजेक्ट मतलब टांगोर हो बोला है तो ये तो पूरा आथा गुरी चाहे कि ना आथा रास्ता दे ये तो कोई वो नीति वो बोले ताते प्राइस था ये ना कनो हो बोला है तो not only your village but since you are saying that you have 4-5 village एक पर council kan कोठा कोरी बिना elders kan ना यादे government pra ये तो नाला बोला है ये ले ये तो time दे हमें kan एको land owner laga issue no hobo कोई के ना एक तो assurance दे बोला
उदु साइड तो हमरा accusation allegation लगा तो ये इफाली साइड से एक ता embankment बना रहा तो तारी साइड से माटी जाए ऐसे कुछ तो गवर्नमेंट में को इन्वेस्टिगेट करे ऐसे assessment में
no that you have visited that spot
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
Yes.
so what is the
So actually, embankment has been constructed this side.
This
but
side.
Even in the coming days, even on the other side, they're going to construct embankment. Both sides, na.
it is by water resources or disaster
I think through water resources, na. For urban development. Urban development, I think, sir.
नाने फाने पोना जी बोले तादे भी पोना वाला
Tadi bana bola sir.
no ले जाते पोना के ना तादे छारी दिले तादे और पूरा
सर इदु
हो जाबो
embankment बना दो नि ना मानवन तो घर भांगी जाए ना इदु लगा compensation reimburse इदु गवर्नमेंट बा सावना ना
ना इतो तो that they will give all the evidence report to the government. Only after getting your report, administration report, we will discuss.
But I'm sure you are aware of the situation.
Yeah, I know. Now, since American itu amar sim do nai, kaplang sub ranya ase, out of station ase. Itu pura ami bi kali bo se tu pura ase. So itu size loge jadi kun flood ase bobo. Hole bi itu time da apna ke man hoje ko ase to. Hole bi ami ni kun jaga de to hoise to ni jo sab sab ko na.
Thank you so much.
Actually, same Tagila Ming, so we can look at Bible quota.
Traditionally, we used to have one footpath from here, one from there, coming to our traditional well. But then, unfortunately, the mudslide had covered the traditional well. And both the footpaths here as well as there, they're all blocked.
And even the road is also blocked.
Even the road is blocked. And the houses up there.
Yeah.
They're not sleeping in the houses now. They're staying in the neighborhood. I mean, in the neighbors' houses. Very risky. And when if the rain continues, it'll get worse.
Right.
So we'll prepare the necessary papers, documents as soon as possible.
Submit to our DC.
DC. We'll request the DC to hurry it up to the disaster people. And we hope that the Chief Minister also comes very soon, and your cabinet can also take up the matter. Because here in Dimapur, landslide, this is something we never heard of.
I think after 20 years.
I think so. And the soil, it's not the stable soil. And like I was saying earlier, the rains this year was amazingly excessive. So I wish, I request the government to take up with the ministry to bring some funds. And for records, Neil, for records, we'd like to hand over this application to you, sir. This is construction of a water channel. This will be more or less a futuristic project which can be of use even 50 years, 100 years from now. Because once we construct a 10 feet wide drainage from here, huge problems will be solved.
He is a water resource
Hello, ma'am.
engineer.
Okay.
So I think for this drainage,
Sir.
from our department, we can give up water resource.
It's going to be a huge project anyway. It has to be. It has to be. Once we construct
What
that,
will be the distance from here?
from here, it can. I think it'll go about several kilometers, 3-4 kilometers. And we want to request the government to do it properly, not just a narrow one, but then with enough for weight, so that. So otherwise, these are more or less plain areas. It'll be like Vilume Colony or Burma Camp. Once it drizzles, it'll get flooded. But we want to have that vision that 50 years from now, 100 years from now, if that can be avoided. And if we are to do things now, it's possible because the landowners are readily coming forward to give their land.
Okay. There won't be any issue.
Compensation, nothing like that. At least here in Sovima, we are not burdened with that compensation baggage.
If government has to take up, there should not be any landowner problem.
That the council will take care, sir. Sir.
Yeah. So after submitting the report by our DC,
Sir.
we will surely take up the
Let us by Monday, Tuesday, we'll hand over to our ESC staff.
जगह इंस्पेक्शन কৰিছে কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে sir আপনি ইনস্পেকশন কৰা
We're really very sad, very unfortunate. We have already visited 10 area, flood affected area. So I've already given direction to our administration and police to put up a comprehensive report to the government so that we will discuss in the cabinet.
This year we have seen one of the worst flooding, especially of Dimapur and of course Chumukadima. Why did it take so long? Since every year flooding hui thake sir Mohalla Dimapur there, and then every year the SDRF has to go rescue this many people, and drainage is the issue, but is it an assurance from the government that this time the cognizance will be taken strictly and
We
sternly?
will take care. Well, I cannot give assurance now unless we get a report. We cannot give assurance now, but we will surely do the needful to the affected areas. I am glad, I'm happy that you all are here with me the whole day. So let us we will try our best to do the best. And I want to appeal and request all those encroacher and those building obstructing the drainage to immediately remove. So in few places, I think we need to request them to remove those encroacher.
Sir, इतिया तो urban local body भी आही जैसे अपनी भी state government के represent करिशे आहिया निशना funds भी all of तो आही गने ऐसे and a lot of them councillors especially from Dimapur and Chumukadima have always spoken about the clearance of drainage and looking after that in their campaigns also. Sir, is the state government satisfied with how they are looking after their own wards, sir?
No, since they are newly elected, we cannot blame them also. We have already given direction to the council members. So, they should not all depend on government. So, we will discuss with those councillors also.
So, under several schemes, a lot of funds are coming in for flood mitigation, management, urban development department, they be NSDMA, even just for this year itself, in March till December, they have to utilize till December at least 16 crores for Chumu and for the state also.
For the state, yeah.
Yes, under SASI scheme and
Yeah,
special
yes.
assistance
So
for.
those things we are going to discuss.
So March it came half of the
It is
year.
not
it's
yet,
already-
I think that is not yet finalized for allocation of the fund to district wise. But I think surely we will give.
I think finance
special-
department has come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will give special importance to Dimapur, Newland, and Chimu
Okay.
district.
Oh, that's good. Sir.
Yeah. That's all.
Sir,
Thank
last
you.
question. This question was raised during last Chief Secretary visitation also, and I am very sure sir is also here. The same question I'm going to ask again, sir. City ki pasade charda na pasta khor pani bra luija laga mikhan khobor paise. Since our TC is also here and EAC is also here, I'm very sure they are well aware of this decision also. Though government la side pra libi administration la side pra libi department la side pra libi apni kan itu affected family our household kan ye kinaka isi school laise sir, because
No.
itu completely luija laga ase.
I think our TC have visited that spot, no? TC and our disaster management.
My admin officers and along with the DDMA officials, they have visited and we have given some emergency relief fund.
Okay. Whether you have sent those to the state government? How
Those,
to
the detailed damage assessment will do.
Yeah.
And then we'll be submitting it
okay.
to the NSDMS.
So only after submitting the assessment, we will
Sir, like
take
my
it.
apprehension is that like last year he apne la TC bra 10,000 hoise DC hoise. Do incident do do last year bhi hoise, this year bhi hoise. Do previous year laga hoina thaka laga opore do apni ki relief di na sir.
Previous year, Labi, we had submitted our proposal to the NSDMA and we didn't get any sanction as yet in respect of those cases.
Last year
As
you
and
have
when we
given
get-
only 10,000.
That is from emergency relief fund, and the damage assessment, the proposals we had sent to the government.
Okay.
But it's up to the government to approve whatever schemes. There are many schemes which we propose to the government, but the approval comes from the state level.
So by
So
the norm,
whichever schemes are approved, that only we can assist.
So by the norms of disaster assistance, even if a big, large building collapse, we are eligible to give only 1,30,000. And then if we are going for the rebuilding, reconstruction, then that comes under 2 lakhs for a building. So that is a relief assistance. So that,
Immediate relief assistance.
that is the from the disaster management side for the owner of the house. Sir.
So since DC have already submitted a report to the state government, after seeing he is out of station, so after he returned back, we will discuss.
Okay, so last question I just realized the land encroachment issues when it comes to drainages, we have seen a lot. So, sir, what if the people are not going to move or budge from those things? What stern action or what stern warning can you give to whoever it is, the village heads or elders, and to mitigate and to have a modality on this, so how to go about it?
We need full cooperation from that particular colony or the war. Now, as I've said in Gorman High School interaction with those counselors, they say that they will take care, there won't be any land encroachment, they will even start demolishing those buildings. So if since they've given assurance, we may be compelled from the state government side also, with the support of administration and police, may be compelled to demolish those encroachers.